Changes happen over time, workflows are updated, permission schemes evolve, and new configuration objects are introduced. But how do you know exactly what changed between 2 points in time? Snapshot comparison gives you the answer by comparing 2 versions of the same snapshot and highlighting every difference. In this video, we'll show you how it works. Open Configuration Manager, go to Snapshots, and open the snapshot you want to compare. From the Comparison tab, select the 2 snapshot versions you'd like to analyze, then click Compare. Snapshot comparison is available whenever your snapshot has more than one version. Once the comparison is complete, the results are automatically organized into 4 categories, making it easy to focus on the changes that matter most. Configuration objects that exist only in the source version, objects that exist only in the destination version, objects that have changed, and objects that remain identical. This makes it easy to focus on exactly the changes you're interested in. Now let's inspect one of the changed configuration objects. The Overview tab displays information from both snapshot versions side by side, making it easy to compare the selected object at a glance. To see exactly what changed, switch to the Differences tab. Here, Configuration Manager highlights all the differences between the 2 versions, allowing you to quickly review changes without manually searching through your Jira configuration. When you're finished reviewing the results, you can close the comparison, delete it if it's no longer needed, or select a different snapshot version and start a new comparison, all without leaving the comparison screen. Whether you're validating recent updates, investigating configuration drift, or preparing for your next deployment, Snapshot Comparison gives you a clear picture of how your Jira configuration has evolved over time.